Hey y'all, it's J Renee. Welcome back to my channel. I just hit record and then like everything was shaking. Um I have braces. Well, second time. Second time having braces. That's for the vlog. I'll tell you guys about that later. But yeah. Changed my hair a little bit. I don't know. When I straighten my hair now, I feel like it is so like it feels thin, but now it's looking a little more full right now. I bumped the ends, and that really made such a huge difference. But yeah, today's video, today's video is going to be IPSY unboxing for October, and let me just fix my brow real quick. Oh, cause look at that. I was just doing a get ready with me live on TikTok, and we did this look together. You guys can check that out. Well, actually, I don't post the recordings of the lives. I don't know if you guys want that or not, because so far people are having a lot of fun chatting with me live on the TikTok, and that's been going really well. So check me out there. I go live every day, 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna fix these brows up. Okay, all right, let's get into it. For October's unboxing, we have a card. Let's read the card. I get excited about these. Okay, and I don't even have my microphone on. Look, you guys, I'm a mess. It's been so much going on. Like, I was telling them on the TikTok live about my roller coaster life. I hate that they put bumpers on my bike, and the little bumpers are like turning yellow, so they look really yucky, but it's just I promise my teeth are well taken care of. Okay, it's Glam-O-Ween. Why does that sound funny? Glam-O-Ween season October 2023. Grab your makeup brushes and enter our ultimate Halloween Beautyverse if you dare. This year, we brewed up something special for you. Tons of makeup tutorials, expert tips, product picks, and hair-raising inspiration to help you conquer Halloween like a pro. I did not even do Halloween, you guys, and when I vlog, I'll tell you guys all about that because, yeah, it was quite crazy. Pretty wicked. I don't know who these ladies are. Who are they? Glitter. Oh, these are their costume inspirations for you guys. So there's like a glitter pixie, Space a Go-Go, Pretty in Pink, Werewolf, Circus Chick, and Alien Mommy. I'm not doing none of them looks, yo. But that's cute, though. I wish I had that before all this chaos and I was prepared and everything. But no. Everything. Life is lifing right now. I have the IPSY bag. This is the little bag. We're going to do the bag first and then the box. I like my hair right now. Like, ooh. It was looking crazy the other day. And then I got on the live today and all I did was just bump the ends and I slicked back my edges. It looks actually kind of cute. Look at this bag. Oh, this cosmetic bag. Okay, so for my visually impaired viewers, I like to describe the cosmetic bag. It is red velvet feel. A red velvet feel bag with black bats and spider webs. And also has a bat-shaped zipper. Bat signal. That's cute. All right. Let's inside. We have Avant. What is Avant? Collagen, lecithin, erythritol. I sound like I'm speaking another language. Polylen, niacinamide, hyaluronic age radiance. I can't see this. It's kind of small. I think it says age radiance, collagen intense. serum. Okay. Lots of words on here. And you can't see it because of the lighting, but basically it's a serum, an age-defying serum. I would love to try this. I don't know what it smells like. Oh, it actually has a pretty pleasant smell. And there's this little, no time for that. We'll investigate that later. All right. Then I have, what? Seal It. What is Seal It? Ace Beaute. Seal It. And I'm not sure what this is. I don't even know what this is. It says something really, 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 really tiny. What I do with my glasses. I was trying to fix my little memory card in my camera. Took mad long to figure out why my card was not connecting. All right, so Seal It. It's a makeup setting spray. Okay. Need more of that. I was just in the TikTok live, I was using the setting spray. Ooh, this is cute. And this is from Pinklipps. I like their packaging. They've sent a few products in the IPSY so far. And this looks like a lip gloss. Pinklipps lip gloss. And yeah, it's called Pearl Glass Lip Gloss. The color is called Pearl. Very pretty. I want to open it right now. Look at that. Boom. Boom. We are checking it out. Very sheer. It's a sheer. It's like a topper gloss. Basically, it's sheer with a very subtle purple and pink, blue. I guess like holographic glitter. Ooh, it smells like cake. You know what this smells like? This smells very, very, very familiar. It smells like Bombshell, that vanilla frosting lip gloss that was popping back in the 90s. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It smells literally just like that. Like, it smells very sweet cake smell. All right, so this says we. Oh wow, this is very hard to read. We Cherie. Yes, Cherie. Gripping primer. Huh, this is interesting. Oh, this is from the Beauty, I can't read this. I've seen this before. The Beauty Crop. Okay, I've seen this brand in the IPSY before. I don't have no idea what this is though. It says We Cherie Gripping Primer. Is it for your face? I'm assuming it's cherry scented. I said cherry. I'm assuming it's cherry scented because it says We Cherie. I'm very curious about this. Like, I've never seen no product that look like this. It's called a primer. Ooh, it does smell like cherries. Look at that. That's what it looks like. It's like a red jelly. I don't know. It's very faint scent. I feel like it should smell like cherries, and maybe it does smell like cherries, but it's not very strong. I can't tell. But I'm assuming this is some type of primer. I think it's for your face, but I don't really know. Oh, it says hyaluronic acid. So yeah, it's some types of skincare primer. I'm gonna go with that. Oh, let me put all these goodies somewhere where I won't lose them. Pinklipps. And then I have Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. More cleansers to try, you guys. Very exciting. I tried a new cleanser. It was actually one from IPSY. I tried it, and it's that Origins cleanser I mentioned in the last video. The last IPSY video. And I don't know, it was kind of weird because it reminded me of toothpaste. I'll talk about that more on another video. This is the box. Different type of box, I think, this time. It's big. It feels bigger than the last ones. So we'll see what's going on in this box. Okay, first thing I see is Huda Beauty liquid matte. So I'm gonna have to unpackage this. It's got a lot of packaging going on. This color is called Bombshell. Oh, I think you just slide it out like this. Okay, actually that's not that bad. Cute packaging actually. And well, I mean, it actually is a lot of packaging for a lip. Looks like a liquid lip. Like they could have probably just did without the box, you know? Bombshell. Let's see what Bombshell looks like. I feel like they send the same shades of lipstick. It's like that same kind of everyday lip color. It's not this color that I got on. It's like a little more pink. Because what I got on right now is like a brown peach shade. I don't know. All right. Then we have Tresluce Beauty Ilusion Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Yay! More mascara to try. Tresluce. They said I have a lipstick from Tresluce that came from IPSY. So getting familiar with this brand from IPSY as well. A lot of these brands are sending products like every month. So that's kind of cool. So you can get familiar with their brand. Ooh, that sounds weird. Y'all hear that? I've never experienced a mascara that makes that sound. That's kind of, I don't know if that's a feature. It's jet black. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not. Then we have Aloe. I don't know how to say this brand. Aloe Glow System Luminizing Face Moisturizer with Amla, Aloe, and Botanicals. Illuminates, softens, and nourishes. Oh, okay, I like this jar. Nice glass jar. Y'all know how I feel about those nice glass jars. It's very, I feel it makes it feel more high end. Doesn't really have a fragrance, but I think it's some type of acid. Oh no, for some reason I thought it had AHA. Okay, it's Amla Aloe. It's just a face moisturizer. I'd be curious to try this one. Then we have Glow and Repair Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. Oh, this has the AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. Is that right? Alpha hydroxy acid, glycolic acid, kaolin clay, and linden for all skin types. What is linden? You guys, I'm cracking myself up right now. Like, I don't even. Triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. Oh, some type of miracle. It's a miracle mask. That's what it sounds like. They make it sound really, really. But the packaging is so cute. Why I can't see nothing when I show it on here? It's like super bright. I gotta fix my lighting. I don't know. I have no idea, you guys. I'm tripping. What else? Booming and Gleaming Eyeshadow Palette. Iconic London. That's the name of the brand, is Iconic London. Okay. Shout out to Iconic London for this very iconic, cool looking palette, because look, it's shiny. I like that. What? Ooh, oh, this is cute. Y'all, look at this. It's a full face palette, or not face, full eyeshadow palette. Lots of colors. You got your basic, natural, like your everyday. You could do that on this first line here. That's like your everyday makeup right there. Boom. Or you could throw in this Java with that. Then you have some golden shades down this line. I don't think it's necessarily like blocked off like that, but I would group these together, definitely. Paycheck. Oh, I like the name of this one. Paycheck. Boss Babe. Date Night. Oh, I need to go on a date night. Move over. Yeah, I like that one. Y'all know I love the color move. Okay, I'm gonna be playing with this palette because it has some fun names. So that's everything for October IPSY. I have November IPSY just arrived today, so that one I'll probably be filming. Excuse me, filming tomorrow. I'm full of bubbles. I was blowing my bubbles earlier. Here, look, this is what I do on my TikToks. If you haven't joined my TikTok live, this is how I start and finish my TikTok. I forgot to finish my TikTok with bubbles today. Y'all, I'm really slipping. Because look, I went like 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks without doing a TikTok live, and really without doing anything at all because everything is so chaotic right now. Well, it's still, but it's chaos. So, yeah, I'm going to link all those products below for you guys. Then I spilt my bubbles everywhere. Y'all, it's crazy right now. It's crazy right now. Everything is crazy right now. But I'm glad you all are here to enjoy my circus video. All right, y'all. Next video is coming up. You guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Don't miss no videos. We got a lot of videos coming up. Yeah. Boom. All right. So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.